Nextee there, Olariwaje Olawale, name being name. And of course, if you featured Reekado Bank for that song. Oh, I'll be small. And by the way, we get out for inside the studio. Nextee, how far?
I do alright.
Wait till they share. What's the title of that song?
I don't know.
You don't know? Wait till you don't know.
I tell you what they ask me that, but I don't know. That's the title.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So which kind of song, which kind of music did he do? As I say, this get a bit of Afrofusion and all that.
Yeah, basically, I did do any kind of music will come my head.
Any kind of music will come your head?
Any kind of music will come your head, you just drop out.
Yeah.
So if you do R&B now, then next thing you go to reggae tomorrow.
You feel rap, you feel to do anyone enter the head.
Yeah, we enter my head.
Man, that means the music they flow for your body now.
But if you say it be like that, now say it be.
So this very song now, your first major single on an EP day inside.
No, this is not my major single, my first major single. This is an EP. I dropped it last year, December.
Okay.
And then this year, I got a Reekado Banks on one of the songs on my EP. Okay. So then this is the video.
Wow.
Okay, so you get other ones, so you be saying that you alone now, you don't.
Yeah, sure.
Don't do another. So what's in be the acceptance where your song don't get so far? You know, I understand it's saying mostly now we Lagos musicians and now the buzz pass. Understanding the fact that you from far away or your state they come. How far? What's in be the buzz?
It no be say it easy like that, but then the love from family and then from other people I've been meeting so far has kept me going, and so I just push and it did alright, Shadi.
The way you they talk like say, oh, you just they push and. If somebody go ask you now, you dey inside the industry, you know everything with this. So what will be the major challenges where you think say?
The major challenges
industry
where actually they no pass. If you be independent artist, you know say you're gonna face some kind of challenges. Will be like money. You know say na the major.
Everything na go. Yes, see, you know say we get different types of artists. Some na studio.
Okay,
so they do our live, some they play instruments. Which side you fall put? Because you said now every kind of music.
I just be recording and performing artist.
Recording and performing artist.
Then
so once you say may you perform for us now, shaking all day, you go.
I go perform.
Deliver well.
So, but for this performance, we go perform. Where you say you go fit perform for us now, you don't need money to push the performance to the permanent sites.
I do it now.
You do it.
So your song now, you say you don't spread the idea. All the digital platforms and all that.
Yeah. The digital platform.
Wait, how long you done the sing?
My bro. Never too long actually, sir. Like 3 years.
Like 3 years. Now you enter professionally, but not mean say you never done the
Yeah.
You know they do bathroom singing now. All those kind of
you get that one.
Okay, so I'm from Oyo State, Ibadan and all that.
No, I'm not from Oyo State. They just born me.
Born you there, you grew up there. Okay, so I be one ask, say, what's be apart from Lagos, what's be the acceptance of your song for other places than for Nigeria?
Yeah, like Osun and Ibadan now.
Okay.
I get plenty fans and
they know you well.
Love, okay. For Ibadan and Osun, and then I try to push Lagos to other states.
They try to push the thing to enter Lagos market well.
Sure.
Okay, but with this one, you don't do Reekado Banks and suppose launch you proper into the Lagos market, Nabi. You don't help.
You don't get big names inside your songs now. Reekado Banks and I hope saying not stress it too. You get rapport with them. You know, say to feature some of them, they are do.
Yeah, sure.
So, can you take that connect now? You say now your brother?
Not like my brother because I met him through Skiibi. And Skiibi is like my older brother.
Okay,
Skiibi.
He does see your head like that.
So, Nextee, we really like to see you do something, run things for us. Make we just see how you.
One of my songs, bro.
This one we just watch now, so it be like the thing sweet, but
anyone with sweet pass, anyone with no see.
Because this one is my new song I just dropped, so let me just.
You know the thing Nextee, as you dey here now, the whole Nigeria they watch you. Everywhere from Nigeria they watch you. Not be saying only Lagos. So if you know say get some way, be say go move everybody to believe you die. Now at the time to show yourself. Will they give you the opportunity and make you show yourself? Give us that song we go make people move. Say, who be that boy we perform for Good Morning Naija? We won't follow him. And
next thing, the new single you dey push be this.
Yes.
So preferably we go like
This
make
one.
you.
Okay, true.
You drop this one based on say now you dey push now.
I did.
Your newest single. Oh
Say
yeah,
you dey
bestie. You know, say this na thank God this Friday. We ourselves, we don't think I want to start our dance issues from here. So we believe say you go make us
Yes, now,
catch the groove. Most start from here now.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to know. If you got a boyfriend, and your boyfriend this year. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to know.
I mean, I
This
like
your body not standard. It big like mountain of fire. Amazing job and you walk it oh. Bad girl, she from Ghana. You didn't on Jamie liar. Cha-cha-cho, catch-a-look back. Amazing job and you walk it oh. Walk it, I know. No, I don't know.